Okay, pupils, we are on this Year 3 English Get Smart Plus 3 workbook on page 81. We are on module 10. So this is story time. So you need to refer to student's book, pages 102 until 103. So this is a story, the comic. So you need to listen using CD, or your teacher might play it for you, the audio. So we have 5 frames of this comic. So you need to match the pictures in this workbook here. So we have A, he is the funniest man in the land. So we have clown here. So we have 3 clowns basically. So he stated, I'm funny, I'm funnier. And then this is I'm the funniest. So we have this character here. So A, you should match to picture number 4. So we have here. And then B, she's the prettiest girl in the land. So obviously, so within this, for these 4 pictures here, so we have this, the only girl. So number 1 is B. And then C, he is the fastest man in the land. So this is the poor farmer. If you can remind the comic scenes for pages 102 and 103 in the student's book. So we have C should match with 3. And then the final one, he is the strongest man in the land. So basically we have 3 men here. So he can lift up the ship. And then this one, if not mistaken, is a dog or other creatures. So I'm stronger, and he is the strongest because he can lift up the cow. So D should match with number 2. And then next we move on to activity 2. Activity 2. Read the story again and complete. Papigo, a poor. So this is farmer. Loved Princess Emma. On Princess Emma's birthday, so this is the king. So capital letter for the first alphabet, king. The king had a big party. There were a lot of, so this is strong. So we have this one, the adjective, strong. And man there. So we have this one. He is the cloud. So this is strong and funny. So both using adjective. So strong and funny, man there. And then Papigo was sad. Then Papigo saved the princess. He was the fastest of all and caught so this animal is called horse. The king was very, so this is happy. And Papigo was happy too. And then activity 3, do you like the story? Choose and color. So these 3 smellies, so you need to choose one and color it. So that's it for this page. We are on page 81. Get Smart Plus 3 workbook on page 81. So if you're okay, you can subscribe here. And then you can watch the related contents here. And then right below this video, there's a link. You can click it. You can join it.